that has been provided for you.
Bienvenido a su seguridad y para apreciar mejor nuestro concierto, por favor, les rogamos que coloquen todos los artículos que puedan soltarse, incluyendo sandalias, mochilas, teléfonos celulares y anteojos en los recipientes que se proporcionan.
Enjoy your concert!
And our concert is ending. Stay seated until your silly symphony swing comes to a complete stop. Then lift the lap bar, collect your belongings, and walk to the nearest exit. We hope you'll come swing again soon with our silly symphony.
We hope everyone had a great time for Symphony Swings. If anyone wants to go again, feel free to find an empty seat. If not, have a great day here at Disney California Adventure.
For your safety and to fully appreciate our concert, please remove all loose items, including strapless shoes, sandals, backpacks, cell phones, and glasses, and place them in the bins that have been provided for you.